All right, guys. So I'm pretty excited today. I picked up this M12 heated hoodie kit, and you can see here it's got a uh, hoodie, but it also comes with a battery, a charger, and a battery holder. So it's got a 1 year warranty on the gear, which is the hoodie, and then it's got a 2 year warranty on the battery. So that's everything included. Now I've already cut the tape on this, so we should just be able to pull it open, and we'll lay it down. Oh yeah, well that's nice. And as with all Milwaukee products, they throw one of these 300 plus catalogs inside. This has got over 300 available tools for any problem you might be having, but it's also got the jackets over here in the side. So if you're looking for more Milwaukee stuff, this is the M12, and I believe on the back is the M18 and the MX Fuel. So anyway, enough of that. Let's get to the meat and potatoes of what we're wanting to see. So here's your hoodie. As it shows, it's got 3 modes. It's got low, medium, and high. And to operate that, you just simply click that M12 symbol, and it'll go through the settings. So I like that it's vacuum sealed. Should keep it pretty fresh, and like vegetables. So now we're going to get into the battery and charger, and I'm gonna have to use my knife to get in here. And the knife I'm gonna be using is the Milwaukee Fastback. Love that knife. We'll cut our tape. Alright, that should have let us in. Again, that's the Milwaukee Fastback. I'll put a link in the description where you can get this. They've got 3 different models. They've got one like this, they've got one that holds 5 blades, and they got one that holds 2 blades and has a screwdriver on the back of it. I'll make another video of the one with the screwdriver on the back. But anyway, back to our hooded jacket here. We'll open this up. I believe this is going to be our battery and charger. So first off, you've got a battery and a battery holder. So you're going to put your battery in there and plug it into the cord in the jacket. Then you've got your operator's manual for the charger. And come out of there. Alright, hang on. There we go. And there's your M12 battery charger. And that is all that's in there. So this is everything you need to stay warm for the winter. I'm planning on wearing this this heated jacket underneath, well, heated hoodie, excuse me, underneath a high-vis jacket, so I don't have to wear a vest over it, and it'll protect this hoodie and keep it from getting dirty and stuff like that. I just want this for the heat. I don't want to work directly in this. I want something to protect it. Now there's a sticker right here that says press for 2 seconds to turn on and off. So you're going to push your M12 button for 2 seconds to turn it on and 2 seconds to turn it off, and then you're going to short press it to change from low, medium, and high. So I'm going to get this open, and I'll make a separate video on how it works and how you hook up the battery. I hope you all like these types of videos, and if you do, be sure to like and comment and subscribe for all our future videos, and check the description for links to this hoodie kit. This is the kit, comes with a battery and a charger, and I'll also put a link for the Milwaukee Fastback razor knife. And as always, thanks for watching, and y'all have a great day.